Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create triangle by using CSS only. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create triangles in different directions by using borders, and I'm also going to explain you science behind it, basically how it's working. So let's get started. Presently, here you can see I have HTML structure, this container div and this tree div. In the tree I will do all the CSS, and the container is to make everything in the center of the canvas so you can see it clearly. Let's clear the concept first. Let me tell you one thing, there are various ways to create the triangle. This is one of the way, by using borders. Basically what happens, this is the box, and as you know, box have four sides. This is the top, border top, this is border left, border right, this is border bottom, this is border left, BL. Okay, now suppose if I give border top property, I say border top is 20 pixels and solid, and it has a red color. Something like this will be created. Let me show you. Let's create something like this. If I type try and write border top 20 pixels, solid and red, save, and the shape is created, but it's not visible. Why? It needs some kind of support. So what I can do right now, I can just simply cancel out this container CSS and border will be shown, because now it has top support, but we wanted this to appear in the center. It's already created, but it's not visible right now. To make it visible, what I can do, I can create here support, something like this. I can create BL also. I can create border left. This kind of border will be created, but now instead of creating this kind of line, the edges of both the borders will be connected and they will form this kind of shape. Will be formed. Let's see if I write down the border left 20 pixels, solid, and I need this in a green color so you can see, and there we go. It's created. The shapes are created, but there is one thing happening. It didn't create this kind of shape. Why? Because there was no border bottom and border right. So what they did, border top and the border left used border bottom area also, and border right area also. If I wanted this kind of shape, what I can do, I can create border bottom. Okay, I can create border bottom. Previously the structure was something like this. I can now create border bottom, and now structure will become something like this. This kind of structure will be created. Let me show you. Border bottom, it's very complicated to explain also, but you will learn when you will create this. Now this border color will be blue, and here we go. I achieved it. Now we get this kind of result. But now suppose if I also use a border right, this one, then something like this shape will be created, which will be in four pieces of different color. Border right 20 pixels, solid, and this color will be yellow. And here we go, we achieved it. Quite easy, huh? But now suppose we wanted this triangle. Now what I can do, I have this triangle, the blue color represent that kind of triangle which I wanted right now. So what I can do, I can give transparent color to the green area and red area and yellow area. If I will give the transparent color, in that case it will become the triangle for which I am looking on the right. And here we go, I achieved it. But now suppose instead of this triangle I wanted something like this. What I can do, here we can see border the border left have that capability to represent this one, to represent this shape. So now I will just simply transparent the border top, border right, border bottom, and border left will be red. So this is the border left, I will make it red color, and border bottom will be now transparent. Here we go, we achieved it once again. So this is how you create the shape. And now triangle shape, but let's learn more. Suppose if I wanted to create the same, but now I wanted to stretch it. Now what I can do, so if I increase the size of border left by 70 pixels, you will see I'm able to achieve it. I'm easily able to achieve it. Width is easily able to achieve. But suppose if I wanted the height also, to be big, so in this case the height is supported by a border top and the border bottom. If I will just increase the size of border top to 70 pixels, save, here you can see the shape is created. Okay, so this is how you can control height and width also. It's little complicated, but if you will use it, you will learn it. So this was the concept behind the triangle and the borders, and this is how these are formed. And of course I never used border radius with this. Let me just use it, border radius, and here we go, the edges becomes smooth. Here you can see, let me just make all the colors appear, blue, yellow, and green. Now I want to see what happens. Okay, something like this happens. It's easy, it's looking good. Here we go, the borders are formed. So this is how you can basically use borders to create the triangles. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. And one more thing I want to tell you. Have you seen the label shape? You can create that shape. Now the label shape is something like this. Let me just clear everything for you. Label shape is something like this. Yes, now if I relate this shape with this one, if I relate these two like this, so we don't need this bottom area, and the rest of things we need, and we will achieve this shape. So let's create it. Let's create this. We don't need bottom one, so for the bottom one I can just write down the transparent, and for the rest let's make them of a similar color. I will make it blue. So so we can see everything clearly. I'm seeing a lot of so save, and here we go, we got the result. Now suppose I want to increase the height of it. In that case, what I can do, it's simple. The height will be supported by the border top. So where is the border top? I will just write down the 60 pixels and see it increased. And of course these borders are not looking quite good. You can try different values to achieve the good borders, good border radius. I'm not going to dig into this, but this is how you can use, you can truly use the this method to create different kind of shapes. Thank you so much. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. See you in next video. Bye. See ya.